Hi everyone, and welcome to my live on the Notes of Cheer card kit. I hope you've enjoyed what we've put forward already today. The other girls have done an awesome job so far, showing you lots of the different kits that we have available. This is a great new idea that Stampin' Up has come up with, where we have so much more variety. Now these kits aren't in the catalogue, so you need to go and check them out online, but it's definitely worth having a look. So they come in these gorgeous boxes, and you can even put like a little sticker on the front and use it like as a gift box. And so the one that I'm doing today with you is the Notes of Cheer, which is hands down my favourite. You cannot go wrong with butterflies and rainbow. So I'm going to quickly show you what you get in the kit. So with this kit you get gorgeous envelopes, and they have 3 different types. So each card we're going to be making, you can make 9 cards in this kit. I'm going to show you one of each design today. And so you get these, oh sorry, I'm slightly off. You get these gorgeous envelopes. So each envelope goes with one of the cards. I'm going to pop them to the side. You get all of your little bits for your cards. I have started to put them all, oops, let me flip those ones over. I've put them all aside. So the best thing you can do when you get these kits is to separate everything out. You also get some dimensionals. You get some little glue dots. And you get these, in this kit, you get these gorgeous iridescent gemstones. Like, they are so cool. And then the next one, oh, you also get, let me grab them. Sorry, I've put it all in front of me. You get your words. Now the words are available in different languages. So it gives you heaps of variety. So these are the bigger ones, and then we have the ones with the smaller ones. Now, as you can see, I've popped some out already, and I've done a little bit of prep work where I've put some dimensionals and things on ready to go. And then the next card that I've got all prepped up, you've got your card base, and then we've got these gorgeous little cutout butterflies, and that one's ready to go. And then I have to say, this is probably my favourite because it's the cutest, is like little pre-cut butterfly cards. Are they not the most gorgeous things? So simple. Now this kit does not come with stamps, so it is the perfect kit for people that have not done stamping before, or that want to give card making a try. It's makes life so easy because you don't even have to try and stamp and get things straight. So let's get started. And to make everything super easy, they give you the best and easiest instructions. So we're going to start with this little card here. Oh, I can't pick it up, sorry. So I've already popped out the little, it says, I'm here for you today and always. And it says a little note of cheer. So I've popped both of those out already. And then we're going to use one of these gorgeous little filigree cutout borders. Now all the girls have been, had the great idea of offering to send a card out to whoever comments on which card they'd like. So mine all have butterflies, so it's a little bit harder. So what I was thinking of doing is, for this one, you could just do flowers. So if you pop the word flowers into the comment section, and then after this live I will send one of these cards out to you that I'm making today. So the next thing we're going to do, now I have to show you with the instructions. They could not make this any easier. So they have shown you, I'm going to put it up a little bit closer so you can see. So this is our little border that we're doing here, but it actually shows you these little darker dots is where you're going to put your glue dots. And then up the top here, it shows you where you're going to put your dimensionals. So I have not done that bit yet. So I have already started putting the glue dots on this one, which is down here. I've already popped the glue dots on the back of the border, and so I will show you how to pop those on. Now I'm going to use this handy dandy little tool here, which is our Take a Pick tool, because I find these little dots are so little that I usually get them stuck on my finger or my nail. So we're going to pop that on there, and then we're going to do our dimensionals. Now I keep moving this out the road, but I should have it where we can see it. So it's telling me to put 3 dimensionals on the back of this one. About there. And then we're going to stick it all down. Now we just have to peel these off. Pop them over to the side. Now with putting all of your bits together to start with, so you've got them all in piles, you can whip through these really quickly, so you can just do 3 at a time. Okay, so we just need to basically, I'm going to line that on my, make sure you guys can see. No, it might come up a little bit. And then I love the grid paper. It is like my favourite thing, because I am a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to getting things straight. So I'm going to stick that one down. And then the next one I'm going to grab is, oh, again, I need the little tool. Move those out the way, we clear those up later. And then I'm going to put that, just going to grab a little note, see exactly where I want to put that. And because this one actually tucks up and under ever so slightly. Oops. I'm just going to try and get it to stop wiggling on me so that I can get it to sit in space. And then we just take the backs off of these. Now if these are a little bit tricky to get the backs off, the best thing you can do is push your little finger in it and it actually lifts it up on the side. You nail in the middle like so. And then we're going to pop our, make sure I'm getting it straight, because you know, pop it in place. And there's our first card. Now what I should have grabbed is my bone folder, so that I can then line this up. Gosh, I'm making everything look hard today, aren't I? It's not, it's super easy. And we're just going to do it like that. And there's our first card. So quick. So that's one down, and that one goes with, which envelope does that one go with? That goes with the blue stripy envelope. So I'll grab one of those and show you those two together. So isn't that just gorgeous and so quick and easy, like I said. Next one we're going to do is, I just do the little butterfly. So this one, I'll show you there. Now you'll see that there's like numbers on the side there. That's so that if in some of the kits you get ribbon, so you can actually measure your ribbon and everything on there. So then this one is so simple. All we need for this, oh, I forgot something. Wait a sec. Sorry, I have to go back, because I forgot the most important part is the bling. So it's telling me just here, I'm hoping you can see where I need to put the bling. So we need 2 big ones. I do one right there and another big one to go up over the other side. You can't forget the bling, seriously. What was I thinking? I'm going one down here. You don't have to put them where they've suggested either. You can put them wherever you like. But for today's purposes, we're just showing you how easy it is to do exactly what is suggested. Where does that last one go? Up the top there. Ah, see, that makes all the difference. Look at all that pretty bling. Can't go wrong. All right, now let's try the next one. Excuse me, sorry. So the next one, all we need is our little piece that says "You make life brighter" and our big butterfly. Now I have already popped the dimensionals on the back of this one, so that's these ones, and so it just tells me to put the 4 there, which I've done, and so then we just peel those off. Make sure you have it up the right way. Move these instructions out the road again. I just want to make sure I'm in the right spot. And then we basically just have to line it up and stick her down. Just about there. And then of course we need bling. So these iridescent gems are so sweet. So I'm going to put one up the top there, and then another big one just about here. And then we have one kind of up here, and then another little one over here. And they give you heaps of these, so there's no way you're going to use them all. So you might even have some for another project. There we go. And then again, we just fold that one in half, and we check which envelope that one goes with. Oh, of course, I've shot it all the way pink, of course. And there is our gorgeous little butterfly. So for this one, you can just do, to get this one sent out to you, just type butterfly in the comments. And if this is, if there's more than one person, then I'll just draw it out of a hat. And then lucky last, this kit, by the way, is so great for young people that are learning to get into stamping, because it's just so easy. It's just really putting it together, and it gives them that real quick sense of being able to do something. So this last one, oh gosh, I'm getting stuff everywhere, is so gorgeous. The background is so pretty on this one. It's the prettiest rainbow. And then all we need to do is, hang on, let me show you the instructions again. Okay, can't find it. There it is. So it shows you on these instructions to put one in each corner. Now, I decided to add a couple in the middle just to lift up the middle as well. So that's totally up to you. You have more than enough dimensionals to do that if you need to. I just like to give it a bit of height so that it sort of doesn't sink in the middle. And then the next thing we need is our little "You're on my mind" and "In my heart." Now this one's got 3 little dots on the side, and so I'm going to just bring in my little gross rubbish. And then we just need to pop them out. So again, I'm just going to use take that pick tool to just get those out and pull them off the back. To get rid of those. Getting rid of that. And again, I have already added on the 2 little dimensionals, which it tells me exactly where to put those. And so then we pop it all together. So we're going to just take these bits off. Now, if you haven't seen these kits before, you seriously have to jump on to the Stampin' Up website and check them out. If you don't have a demonstrator already, I'm more than happy to help you through the choosing process, or any help that you need, get in contact. And then you get to make these super cool cards as well. And also check out all the other videos, because it gives you a really good idea of how the cards turn out. How super easy they all are. I think I've said that about 20 times now. Okay, we're going to stick that down. And then we're going to add, so for this card, if this is the card that you'd like to receive, just write 3 butterflies in the comments. And I'll know that you want the 3 butterfly card. But seriously, you can't go wrong with any of them, because they are all just so pretty. It's not down too quick. And then, last but not least, is the gems. So I'm going to pop that one there. Oops, got away from me. One up the top there. Big one again. Yeah. And then 2 more littles. Lucky last one. Oh, I think I did that a little bit low. Done. And then we need all we have to do is flatten it out. Just run along the edge. And then that one goes with the gorgeous little green butterflies. And that's it, I'm all done. So how super easy was that? It was just the prettiest and easiest little set that you can get. So as I said, these are great for gifts, especially people that are just giving card making a try. They will love them, I'm sure. I can't see how you couldn't love them, because they are just so awesome. So thank you for joining us today. We've had so much fun. World Card Making Day is, of course, one of our favourite days of the year, and so we thought we couldn't let it go by without doing something today. And of course, we all make lots of cards, but it's really great to send them as well. So that's why we decided to do the little giveaways while we're doing this today. And we really look forward to seeing you all at our next event. Thanks for your time. Bye.